Now, you can put your own face directly into VEO-3 videos. That means you can build a consistent version of yourself. And it doesn't stop there. You can even change the voice or add your own real voice. From now on, AI content won't just look real, it will also sound real.
Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and upload your image or multiple images. Ask it to generate a detailed prompt that includes your face. Make sure to add the words realistic or hyper-realistic for the best results. Next, open Whisk, Google's image generator. On the left side, you'll see the subject option. Upload your original image there, then paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Whisk will generate consistent images of you. You can also ask ChatGPT for new prompts, like sitting in a boat, and your face will stay consistent. If the images don't match perfectly, just drag and drop the previous generation to improve consistency. Once you've got your image, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the same prompt and ask it to create an image-to-video prompt for VEO-3. In Whisk, there's an animate button, but it only works with VEO-2 and doesn't include audio. So instead, open Flow. Switch to frames to video, upload your image, and paste the image-to-video prompt. Select VEO-3 fast and choose one generation per prompt to save credits.
You know, I came here to find inner peace, but all I found was sand in my pants.
Repeat the same steps for your other images to create more videos. Now let's add your voice. First, download the video. Open ElevenLabs and choose a voice from their library, or create your own voice by cloning it. Then, select Voice Changer. Upload your video, pick a voice, and generate.
You know, I came here to find inner peace, but all I found was sand in my pants.
ElevenLabs will give you an audio file, not a video. So finally, open any video editor. Import both the video and the new audio. Place them on the timeline, sync the new audio, and mute the original video's sound. That's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.